DIY Cozy Living Room Christmas Corners. It's the perfect time to give a modern country Christmas look and decorate every corner of your home. Whatever design you want to achieve, Wilcon is here to help you turn every corner of your home into a magical Christmas landscape. Here are some amazingly easy DIY Christmas decoration ideas that you can do. Point 1. Christmas tree. Since a Christmas tree would be the focal point of all your holiday decorations at home, it should make a statement. The red, green, and a touch of orange is perfect for this modern country look that you're aiming for. Keep it simple by adding some green leaves, red ornaments, and orange foliage. Finish it off by lighting a warm-colored Christmas lights for that earthy, fresh, and warm look to your corner. Point 2. Christmas-themed reading nook. Start by setting up your accent chair to become your little cozy reading nook. You can place holiday-designed throw pillow for that added Christmas vibe. Then infuse a touch of coziness to your little personal corner by incorporating a dark neutral colored throw blanket that you or your family can use whenever feeling chilly while reading or simply relaxing. You can also add a side table where you could place your books and hot chocolate. And don't forget to set up a table lamp for that additional lighting while reading. If you have a wide collection of books, you can opt to install a shelf that matches your theme for additional functionality to your little corner. Point 3. Beverage Station. To help keep your holiday season fun and exciting, you could set up a family-friendly drink station that will make it easy for your family to help themselves to a warm cup of drink for this chilly weather. Prepare your electric water heater or even a coffee maker. Don't forget the coffee, creamer, tea, and sweeteners. Then store it in easy-to-dispense containers. Make sure you have plenty of teaspoons and mugs accessible for use. You can also add some jars of festive sweets such as marshmallows, candies, and chocolates, gingerbread cookies, or even plain chocolate chip cookies for the kids to enjoy. Remember to restock and refill your jars every now and then. Install wall shelving for additional storage for your jars and containers. Match the whole aesthetic of the corner by adding some accent pieces like paintings and different types of wall decor. You can also add some Christmas ornaments that will give your beverage station a picture-perfect holiday vibe. Shop from the wide range of traditional to modern Christmas decorations at any Wilcon Depot and Wilcon Home Essential stores nationwide. Or shop with our Browse, Call, and Collect or Deliver and Wilcon Virtual Tour service. Like, share, and subscribe to Wilcon TV and hit the notification bell to keep updated with the newest tips and tricks from Wilcon TV. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe and happy holidays! See you in the next video!